Bihar plans migratory bird festival to raise awareness about them. Bihar is holding a bird festival for the first time as part of its initiative to save migratory birds that arrive in the state in large numbers every year. The festival is being organized in eastern Bihar, Bhagalpur district, which was special significance. This was because the 60-kilometer long stretch of the Vikramshala dolphin sanctuary between Sultanganj and Kahalgaon had long been a hub of migratory birds. Some prominent migratory birds arriving in Bhagalpur include bar-headed goose, steppe eagle, ferruginous duck, Eurasian curlew, white wagtail, great crested grebe, common greenshank, and Eurasian coot. Some Dorong Chu. In 1986 to 87, a military standoff took place between India and China in the Sumdorong-Chu Valley, bordering the Tawang district, Arunachal Pradesh, and Kona County, Tibet. The standoff was the first military confrontation along the disputed McMahon line after the 1962 war and gave rise to fears of escalation. Chinese intrusions. Intrusion routes, disputed areas, logistic supply routes, air intrusions, amphibians operation. What is nuclear magnetic resonance NMR test? NMR spectroscopy is an analytical chemistry technique used in quality control and research for determining the content and purity of a sample as well as its molecule structure. Why in news? 10 out of 13 honey brands from India have failed in its purity test. The NMR test is not required by Indian law for honey that is being marketed locally but is needed for export. International Association of Insurance Supervisors IAIS. Context: the International Financial Service Centers Authority IFSCA obtained membership of International Association of Insurance Supervisors IAIS. About IAIS, established in 1994, the IAIS headquartered in Switzerland is voluntary membership organization of insurance supervisors and regulators for more than 200 jurisdictions, constituting 97% of world's insurance premiums. It is the international standard setting body responsible for developing and assisting in the implementation of principles, standards and other supporting materials for supervision of insurance sector. The IAIS also provides a forum for members to share their experiences and understanding of insurance supervision and insurance markets. In recognition of its collective expertise, the IAIS is routinely called upon by the G20 leaders and other international standard setting bodies.